My young Padawans, this lesson is going to be quick, but it is important. Notes, here we go. Lesson 108, Formulas and Substitution. So I'm going to give you a formula, and then you're going to use the formula to find values using substitution. You're thinking, what is that? You've seen it before, we've done it this year, but this is the main lesson for this idea. This formula right here helps us convert temperatures. So if I were to say the temperature outside is 25 degrees Celsius, this converts the temperature into degrees Fahrenheit, which is what we're used to in America. So let's take a look. Find the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, which is F. You can see the F right there. That's the variable for Fahrenheit. If the temperature in degrees Celsius is 20. So here's our formula here, and we're going to use substitution. So substitution is when we take something and we put it in the place of something else. So instead of this C right there, we're going to substitute the value of C, which is 20. So I'm going to take this C and move it out of the way, and what goes inside that set of parentheses. So you can see instead of a C, we're going to substitute the number 20. And now it's up to you to evaluate what this is going to be. So we're going to multiply first 20 times 1.8, find the value there, and then add the 32. Don't forget to add the 32 to the product of those two right there. Tackle that. The product of those two is 36. Add 32. So when the temperature is 20 degrees in Celsius, the degrees in Fahrenheit is equal to 68 degrees. There we go. Find this on your own. You can see that I have substituted the 14 into C. Find the product here, then add 32, and you've converted from Celsius to Fahrenheit. The temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, if the temperature is 14 degrees Celsius, the Fahrenheit equivalent is going to be 57.2 degrees. Last example, this is the formula for the volume of a rectangular prism, like a box. I'm going to have you substitute the numbers in using parentheses before I do. Okay, take a look at where the 48 goes. This is interesting because it's on this side. See, the V is 48, that's the volume. That goes on this side where the V is. And then the L, I'm leaving alone because I don't know what L is. I know W, I know height. So to solve for L, I'm going to have to do the product here. So 48 equals L times 6. You may be thinking, why am I writing L like this? It's just a way to differentiate between the number 1 and then the letter L. Okay, so the product here is 6. Now, this is L times 6 is equal to 48. How do you solve this? What's the value of the length? Divide both sides by 6. And you'll have the length is equal to 8. There we go. I'm going to pop the assignment up for you.